In this video, I'll be guiding you to download Photoshop on your PC or Mac. Now, what you want to do first is you want to go ahead and open any web browser, and then once you're here, you want to go to the search bar and type out Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, what you want to do is make sure to find the official website for Adobe, and once you've done that, click on the first link you see that says Adobe Creative Cloud. And then once you're here, you want to go ahead and follow all the steps that I do in order for this to work. So go ahead and scroll down until you see Photoshop, which will be right here, and then click on free trial. Now, as you can see, there are three options in which to choose from. You have individual package as well as business and student and teachers package. So go ahead and click on individuals package and also make sure Photoshop is selected. And once you've done that, you want to scroll down and then click on continue. Now what you want to do is go to the right side of the screen and simply pick a subscription that works for you. And as you can see, it offers a 14-day free trial. Now once you've selected the subscription that works for you, and if you go down, Adobe also offers a 7-day free trial of Adobe stock. So you can go ahead and tick this box and then click on continue once you're done. Now all you want to do is you want to enter your email address, and once you've done that, you want to click continue, and then you will be directed to a page to put in some basic information as well as your payment method in order to get Photoshop. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.